Hey James, how are you? Oh my god, Emma, I am good. How are you? I am amazing. Great. Take the seat. This seat is empty. Long time no see. Yeah, been busy with college. What about you? Same. I have been busy with college too. What are you doing now? I just finished my graduation. What are you doing? I'm doing psychology at a nearby college. That's nice. How come you are on this train today? My college is here, so I travel every day by this train. How come you are here today? We had our convocation today, so everyone had to come and collect their degree. Oh, congratulations. Thank you. I have been traveling by this train throughout my graduation years, and it is one of the best trains. Yeah, I know it. It is always empty, and we always get a seat for ourselves. This is the exact reason you used to board this train all the time. After being tired for the whole day, it is a relief to board on an empty train. I know that feeling. Hey, what about your psychology? When is your course coming to the end? Oh, it is going to take another year. I also have to intern compulsorily, and only then I and other students will get a degree. One more year to go. Yeah, I hope it goes well. Don't worry, it will go well. I think the train has reached. It was good meeting you after a long time. Yeah, it was nice to see you too. Anyway, we will meet soon. Till then, all the best and take care. Bye. Yeah, I will see you soon. You take care too. Bye.